You see my dog.
Yeah.
When we go to I want to take at least we go to Tanzania or we go to Mombasa.
Yeah, for vacation, you know.
Yeah, you see, we come to enjoy. You
to
see?
Enjoy your pussy form backlat, you know.
It's a.
Unakula umbwa na pussy.
What are you saying?
What the fuck is bonging? I don't understand.
What the fuck are you saying?
Hata mimi na spoke pia, lakini sasa wewe umesema dogi.
Your pro-code, you are out of topic, man.
You say man a fuck, man a bad man a poya.
What the fuck is
Mjaribu kuongea kitu naelewa kidogo man.
You don't understand, you see?
You
Now
know,
when the niggas are talking, you should be sad up.
You have to mute yourself. You mute.
When the snitches are talking,
by the
and when we finish, you have to unmute.
You see?
Yeah. You have to mute, man. When a gangster is talking, you have to mute.
The bombo clat.
Mimi si mute.
Don't understand you.
Mimi naongea, unasikia naongea, nitakuwaje mute na naongea?
Yeah, she's a madman, you know.
No, he's a madman.
She's a madman.
What a man say, what tempera say head.
When a rasta, you know, you punjo, you pulo.
Pulo.
You're DJ Selector.
Rasta man never dies.
Yeah.
Namjua. Naona huyo rasta unasema.
Mongi.
Anajua kwake ni acha naweza wapeleka huko kwake. Wallahi namfahamu. Na ni best yangu mkubwa. Wallahi bila.
Excuse yourself, man. We are talking about Auntie Yang, you know.
Wacha ni Google nisikie unasema.
Yeah.
We gotta leave.
We don't give a fuck, man. Yeah. Can you get out, man?
Yeah, you need to try.
You have to get out, my G.
Excuse yourself, we need to talk here something involved.
Sawa mwezi ongea hata
we don't want to embarrass you, man.
Sasa mmekuwa hapa Kenya na mimi juzi. Kwani nini mnaanza kuniongelesha hapa?
No, now you are downgrading us. You see, nigga, you need
you are putting us
back.
And you know you can be prosecuted for that. You know.
Put it up again.
Tu mnaenda majuu mnakuja mnajiringa. Simuongee Kisii mmezoea na Kiswahili. Idiot.
Game over.
Tuenda majuu kindiri tukuje tuongee Kiswahili ya juu mat.
Lazima tuwakunye.
Lazima tuwanie sustaki tu.
Au sio?